歷嚟最大規模嘅李小龍展覽武藝人生李小龍喺香港文化博物館舉行，展出600幾件李小龍嘅文物，大部分由李小龍基金會借出，包括李小龍嘅個人用品，佢喺電影《死亡遊戲》着過嘅經典黃色戰衣，用過嘅雙節棍、沙包，佢親手畫嘅電影動作場面構思圖，仲有李小龍喺外地拍戲嘅時候寫俾太太嘅信，佢嘅文字作品同藏書。
You know, when you first walk in the exhibition, it says, you know, that he was an artist of life. There's a quote about that from him. And it's really true. If you see, he had beautiful handwriting. He could draw. He could write poetry. He could dance, you know. And, of course, he was a martial artist, and he was a writer and an actor and a choreographer and a producer and a director. I mean, he was so multifaceted. And I just think the artistry of his life is so beautiful within the exhibition.
本地動畫大師馬富強製作咗呢套3維動畫，重現李小龍嘅雙節棍法同腳法。財政司司長曾俊華出席展覽嘅開幕禮，並同其他主禮嘉賓為3.5米高嘅李小龍雕像揭幕。
This exhibition on the 40th anniversary of Bruce Lee's death is a much anticipated opportunity for people like me, and no doubt some of you as well, to relive those golden days. It is also a great chance for younger generations to understand what the fuss is all about. The exhibition takes us all on a marvelous journey through the life and achievements of Bruce Lee. From a rebellious street fighting child growing up in Kowloon to accomplished Hollywood actor and director and revered kung fu master.
為咗配合長達5年嘅展期，香港文化博物館會定期更換同展出唔同收藏家有關李小龍嘅珍藏，亦都會分階段推出唔同主題嘅教育同推廣活動。